A body is sliding down a rough inclined plane. The coefficient of friction between the body and the plane is 0.5. The ratio of the net force required for the body to slide down and the normal reaction on the body is 1:2. The angle of the inclined plane is, let us suppose that this is horizontal plane and this is inclined plane. Let us suppose the angle of inclination is theta. It is said that this inclined plane is rough. Its coefficient of friction is given as 1/2. Now it is said that a body is sliding down this rough inclined plane. So if we draw free body diagram for this block, its weight mg acts vertically downwards. Normal reaction acts perpendicularly to the inclined plane and in upward direction. Mg gets resolved into two components as mg sin theta and mg cos theta. Mg cos theta balances normal reaction force, and because of mg sin theta, the block tends to slide down the inclination. So frictional force acts along the inclination in upward direction. Therefore, net force acting down the inclination is given by F net is equal to mg sin theta minus frictional force, which is equal to mg sin theta minus frictional force is mu times normal reaction force, and normal reaction force is equal to mg cos theta, so it is mg cos theta. Rearranging this, we get mg times sin theta minus mu cos theta. Now according to problem, F net upon normal reaction force is 1/2. So substituting the values in this, mg times of sin theta minus mu cos theta upon mg cos theta equals to half mg gets cancelled, and on simplification we get theta as 45 degrees. Therefore, the correct option is 3.